Today, probably I'm gonna just very quickly to talk about my personal research instead of the whole, the whole department's research. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, first of all, I want to introduce my CV. I'm the professor in Providence University, Department of Computer Science and Information Engineering here at Providence University. Yeah, I was graduated from Mississippi State University for my bachelor degree, Arkansas State University for my master, and a PhD from University of Houston. I was the chair department at our university department from 2010 to 2013 for one period duration. And my interest in high performance computing and power programming model and AI currently, okay? And my content of the talk, I just talk very quickly about our university, introduce about our university, Providence University, and only our College of Computing and our lab, and my, greatest student research. We only currently only have a master students. We don't have PhD yet. Okay. Providence University is located in in Taichung, near the port, Taichung port. It's very close. If you drive from the university to the port, it's just 10 minutes to the Taichung port. And our university founded in 1921 by Mother Mary Gracia Looking from Indiana, USA. So our university is a private Catholic university, actually. Okay. Now we have 6 colleges and 22 departments. Okay. Now today I'm not gonna introduce one by one about our college. I will concentrate to talk about only our department. Our college is the College of Computing and Informatics. We have 3 departments and 1 Executive Master of Information Application and Technology Management. This is for the master student that working in the industrial that want to get a master degree. We have, my department is Department of Computer Science and Information Engineering. This is our department. And we have 2 other departments, the Department of Computer Science and Information Management, a Department of Computer Science and Communication Engineering also. And we have International College, but I will not introduce this one. Now, I think the Indian student probably are interested in applications to our university. We encourage you to apply for master degree, not the PhD. We don't have a PhD degree yet. So for student encouraged to apply for tuition waiver and internship for the master student. This one is the information for the internship. The application deadline is starting from July. Yeah, this is just approximate information for you. You have at least 1 year or half year internship. Okay, for the 1 year intensive starting from July, you start from summer and the first and second semester of your master program in Taiwan. So for 1 year, you have must internship at least 1,080 hours. For the half years, you must work at least 540 hours. Okay. Now I'll introduce about my lab. In our each department, we have 3 departments. Each department has 8 labs, but I'm not introduce their labs. Our department has 7 labs here. Embedded system lab, high performance computing lab. This is my lab. multimedia software application lab, artificial intelligence lab, bioinformatics. So we have different professor that manage, 2 professors manage each lab here. So my labs, high performance computing labs, is managed by me and other professor, Professor Quanting Lee. Okay, if you're interested in different area, we also encourage you to apply. Okay, we also encourage you to apply. We have human machine interaction lab, computer networking lab also. And in my lab, I think we have, we are the NVIDIA Teaching Center, which collaborate with the NVIDIA corporations. They grant us a lot of machine that's free, available for teaching. There are Tesla K20, Tesla 40, and others. This is the newest probably that we have. Titan X, which has several thousand of GPU core. We also have a lot of Intel GPA, which will also cooperate with the Intel's people. And we have embedded machines or TK1. This is mostly, this force mostly the NVIDIA corporation's products. And we also have Raspberry Pi. This is the lowest simple machine. In our lab, also the student will cluster all the PC together with the GPUs, machine of GPUs, so they can write the high performance computing program to experiment on the machine. We also have a robot arm, conveyor belt, and fisheye camera for our project. Actually, there's others, but this is the most modern one. And one of my greatest student work is for the high performance computing is the parallelization of fast Fourier transform, FFT, on distributed CPU and GPU. And this one is this student is already graduated, and we published in the International Journal of Embedded System. And this is my other greatest student work for AI, which is we apply the YOLO application, deep learning, to do the object detection, to apply on the parking lot detection. And we also published in the international conference. The result is, if you are interested in this work, you can also search through the publication online. And one of my master students work on the image dehazing, which is useful for drone to prevent the crash, because for the foggy weather, for the foggy weather, we need a very good algorithm to remove the fog in real time. That's need to be done within like 0.0 something seconds, okay, 0.02 seconds. So we speed up the computation using CUDA or OpenMP or Thread, using multi-parallel programming. And the result of our work has been published in this Future Generation Computer System in this journal. This is the high-ranked journal. This is the Dehazing example. This is a foggy, very foggy weather, and we remove it very quickly in 0.02 seconds. And this is the example. This is the picture or the video on the under the water, under the sea. So we make it very, very clear. We're also doing the image mapping. This is the image processing area, which is we separate the foreground object from the background. And we also speed up it using parallel algorithm. We also successfully designed the algorithm, and we published in the journal. Okay, we do the robot sorting algorithm. This is for master student also. We have the TK1 embedded system and connected to the robot, and we real-time recognize the product and the defect products, and to remove the defect product in real time. We also plan to give the student to detect the rotted peanut. You know, some farmer in the industry need to inspect the peanut. Usually they inspect peanut by hand, you know, by their eye and manually. So we want to do it using the computers. And the other related work that has been already done is to inspect the, you know, cracking the egg, that the crack, there's a cracking part, and the, you know, to select, to grade the apple, to sorting the apple in the different grade. And we also plan to give the student, currently we give the student other work. We have the equipment for that, the traffic light controller for smart city. Okay, we have the fisheye video camera on the traffic in our university intersection. We put the camera there, and we want to measure, you know, the traffic flow and the number of traffic, you know, car from different direction. It's also detect the ambulance that pass through to allow the traffic to allow the ambulance to go quickly from the traffics. And we also want to detect the traffic accidents. When the car hits each other, we can, you know, using the algorithm to detect, and we can automatically call the police. And, you know, we also detect the car velocity. This is not, is already done actually. Okay, this is today my presentation. You know, if you have another question, please let me know. Thank you very much.